Welcome back to Product Critique, your one-stop channel for deep dives into unique and trending items across the globe. Today, we're looking at the best couple apparel out there, the DEZEXHOM two-person couple hoodies matching pajamas. Let's get into why this product is stealing hearts and heating up cuddle seasons. At first glance, you might just think this is a quirky hoodie. But no, this is a double-person oversized hoodie designed specifically for couples who want to be closer, cozier, and even funnier. This DEZEXHOM hoodie is not just apparel, it's an experience. Made for two, it invites you and your partner to share the same hoodie at the same time. Whether you're lounging, watching a movie, or taking selfies, it's guaranteed to bring smiles. Let's talk about the fabric. It's made of super soft flannel, that plush, fuzzy texture that makes you never want to take it off. Flannel is fantastic for winter and fall, breathable enough to avoid overheating, yet warm enough to be your go-to for snuggle weather. It feels like a wearable blanket, only better, because now you can share it with someone you love. Functionality meets fun here. There's an oversized front pocket, not just for style but also for practicality. You can stash your phone, the TV remote, snacks, or keep your hands toasty. It brings convenience that's often missed in novelty wear. This pocket makes the hoodie suitable for long movie marathons or quick snack breaks during a chilly walk outside. Design-wise, the hoodie features a double-hooded construction, which means both you and your partner have your own hood. It's built generously to fit two adults comfortably, while still giving you the freedom to move around, laugh, and enjoy each other's company. The color we're focusing on today is a cheerful green, playful and perfect for the holiday season or everyday couple lounging. Now, let's talk scenarios. Imagine a lazy Sunday, no plans, just you and your significant other wrapped in warmth and laughter, sharing one giant hoodie. Or maybe it's a cute photo shoot, a funny social media reel, or a gift for your favorite couple friends. This two-person hoodie is more than loungewear, it's a gift of shared moments and humor. It's imported, which might mean slightly longer shipping for some locations, but it's worth the wait if you're into cozy bonding. Care instructions are simple, machine washable, no complicated cleaning rituals. It's meant to be loved, lived in, and washed like regular clothes. In a world where gifts can feel generic, this hoodie offers something thoughtful and memorable. Whether it's for an anniversary, Valentine's Day, a fun couple's photo shoot, or a spontaneous surprise. The DEZEXHOM two-person hoodie is your ticket to warmth and laughter. That's it for today's critique on Product Critique. If you're all about comfort, comedy, and connection, this might just be your next favorite buy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more deep dives into curious products. See you in the next one.